Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you're looking for a lingerie panty haul? Alright, let's dig into this video. Are you looking for an affordable, sexy lingerie panty haul? What are you waiting for? Look at me. Let's dig into the first panty. First panty, you guys. It's charan. Ang puti-puti niya. Let's dig into the first panty. Charan. Bubuka ang bulaklak. Papasok ang reyna. Ang ganda-ganda. Nindot ni siya in necklace. Actually, may galo ko yung necklace. Wala ni giplan. Ang ganda niyo guys. Look at that. Diba pa necklace na ang panty? May mga in-hotel. Dito oh. Hot stuff, baby, this evening. I want some hot stuff, baby, tonight. Panahan ko, anit ba, no? See that girl, watch that scene, dig into the panty. Na-shock ko sa kagandahan. Perfect, guys. Oh, perfect na perfect. Wait. Wait, let's make it into a very nice panty. Oh, head cup. Ala, ang ganda niya. What you think? Diba? Hot stuff, baby, this evening. Oh, para akong reyna nito. Miss Universe pageant number 1. Diba? Perfect, bongga. All these panties are only less than $1. So, it's very cheap, guys. Aloy, type na type ko to siya. No? Type nyo? Oh? Hala, type ko, guys. Alright, let's dig into the material, huh? Mesh or see-through, again, thong, G-string, of course, flowery lace embroidery. Be careful with this one, since the threading on this one is very, very, like, thin. Malangkat ni siya. I think this is just for, like, honeymoon, like, one night stand panty. The material is just not that durable for me. This will not last long. Alright, next panty, no? The panty that changes everything, you know? Papa G is there watching me and said, "Hoy, mata na! Do this panty haul. This can make a difference to your channel. Go ahead." Gitangtang ang akong kuko sa tiil. So this is it. One of the panty that I was so laughing about. Wala, red. Para bongga, no? Diva. Walang tatalo dito, guys. Kasi, palais-lais na siya. May pabulitas-bulitas pa na. Perlas. All the designers are really fun. They're having a blast in creating this design. Lazy siya. Paano ba ito matry on? Let's try onto our head, no? It looks like for me also a necklace. Perfect. Perfect. Pwede man siguro sa headband, no? Ay, wait. Kanang manindot ba siya? If I look at like that, mara masyag kalo, no? Malag sun visor ba? Panty kong sun visor. It's very, very nice. Try natin. Alright, let's pull into our model, okay? Let's see what our model can do with this. Very sexy, lacy, panty. Hi, sexy thong. Hi, naku, look at that. So tiny, guys. Look at that. Can you see that? Bolitas na perlas. Ay, naku. It's very, very cute, beautiful. And of course, this is very, very affordable, cheap. You can do it online. Before you buy, just look around. They're having the same price, but, there's a little bit of a difference, so you can get a little bit more of savings. But if you're interested, just let me know. Comment, okay? Alright, so this is it, no? Panty number 2. Ang panty, gikuhaan ko. The last one, but not the least. I don't know it is. This is a surprise panty. Panting himala to, guys. My toenail was gone because of this kind of panty. I was so laughing hard at it. It is so amusing. It's so fun to look at, and I cannot imagine that today I have it. It's a very good design. Look at that, guys. Of course, our magic lucky charm of all the panties out there, butterfly and I bolitas. Climb every mountain. Open, open, forward, forward. So this is the design. It's very cute. It has a butterfly. Look at that in the front, pearl center. And then they got a hole in here. Cheese string. Okay, back. It's a thong. Open, open, forward, forward, open, open, forward, forward. So this is it. This is our panty collection for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want, and comment down below if you want me to do more underwear haul for sexual lingerie, which is very affordable and cheap. I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.